Today's video, we're gonna do Rubik's Cube. We're gonna mix it up.
We could actually play pickleball on our court, you know.
Yeah, but we don't use
Eventually.
Just forgot all I'm saying and all that stuff. There we go. Finally, mixed it up.
On Palatines Dimensions. It's just Palatines, basically. Isn't it?
What?
Isn't pickleball
Yeah.
just like Palatines?
Yeah.
And you have the court just like the net.
Volleyball's
Yeah,
hard.
great.
Yeah, for me, I'm a failure at volleyball. It's not easy.
Well, you have it.
I basically just fall on my face like Steve's, well, like Scott Sterling. It's funny. Scott Sterling. Scott Sterling. What? Oh, I'm gonna like face plant at least 15 times
Take this out and then
a
use it.
game. Yeah, subscribe for my poor sisters. I know. Ah, there we go.
It wasn't
Great
metal
moment.
kids.
Great moment.
Therefore, the corn is very hot, so it won't spoil. But
Oh
you
my god, I
stay
think
when
I
you
scratched it.
Okay? Should we burn yourself?
I like burning myself sometimes. Depends what you're doing. That's fun.
Every time you go up? Okay.
It's really boring actually burning yourself. I do not like to experience that, especially because I burned myself using the toaster trying to toast Pop-Tarts, and that was not a fun experience. You know that.
Okay. You gotta be careful.
There you go.
The corn
Got
is
the top
hot.
layer, got the bottom layer. Now we just gotta get the very, very top layer.
Do you want to put it in the bowl?
Almost there. So close.
Huh?
I'm spending $368, but I saved $230.
Sorry about that. I'm a bit
What?
Mom, can you hold this?
Spending $368,
Can you hold
but I
this?
saved $230.
Sorry, guys.
Okay.
I got two blue for you, two orange, yellow for me,
You're
and
not
then I
holding
got
it.
hand towels.
Sorry
because
about
your
that.
hand
I
towels
kind of
are-
knocked
yours
off
is
the
like
thing. I'm really sorry
ripped
about
up.
that. Oh,
What?
God.
Oh, I need to get napkins. Put that there.
Are they, you want to put my initials on?
No, but they're gonna be. I mean, one thing you can't skimp on are sheets and towels. I think. Am I wrong?
Sorry about that. It's a bit of a delay.
What?
I'm not going to question you.
But you want to.
There we go. Full. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the
Becca.
like button, subscribe, do all that stuff. Thank you, and peace.